Dolly is here, and today we are gonna be talking about plants and plant disease. What if roots are deformed? What should we do? What happens when roots are deformed? Today we are gonna be talking about this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we need to know what is deformed roots. Your plant is suffering from deformed roots. Deformed roots looks like misshapen, stunted, twisted, and they may be covered in ground. By the way, knobby growths called galls. There are several causes of deformed roots. Let's see what are they. Okay, so first one is nematodes. Nematodes are one common cause of root deformation. These tiny creatures burrow into roots to lay their eggs, causing swelling or the formation of galls are in the process. If you were focused enough, you know what is galls. Knobby growths called galls. Also talking about nematodes, what do you think the next video must be about? I think the next video should be about nematodes. What do you think? Share your ideas with me in the comments. Okay, so second one is bacteria and fungus, or let's just say stress. Swelling, galls, or other deformation may also be the stress-induced product of infection by bacteria and fungi. Okay, let's see what is the third one. Third one is about the soil. When I said the third one is about soil, some of people will think soil isn't that important. Soil suffers plant. No, I didn't mean that. But I mean sometimes misshapen or twisted roots can be caused by abiotic factors. If your soil is too rocky or overcrowded, roots may not be able to grow properly and they can become deformed. It's important to note that some plants may have root nodules, which can look like small round deformities, although they are not. On the contrary, root nodules are beneficial to plants. They house bacteria that can help plants take in nitrogen from the soil. If you're not sure if your plant's roots have galls or root nodules, try simply rubbing the protuberances. Nodules will easily slough off, but galls will not. By the way, I said about they have root nodules are beneficial to plants. I mean, when you look at legumes, they have root nodules in their roots. And in the root nodules there is some nitrogen bacteria, and these nitrogen bacteria takes the nitrogen from the air and puts it to the soil, and it's gonna help the plant taking nitrogen. By the way, and plant gives them some carbohydrates and minerals. If the causes of your root deformation are biological, it's important to address them quickly before other plants are affected. Here are some easy steps you can take. First, prune deformed roots. If only a few roots are deformed, you may be able to prune them, thereby removing the harmful bacteria, fungi, or nematodes. 2. Destroy severely infected plants. If all of the plant's roots are severely deformed, the best thing to do is dig it up and get rid of it. Severely impacted plants usually cannot be saved, and keeping them around increases the chance that other plants will become infected. 3. Solarize the soil. Placing a clear plastic sheet over your soil can help raise soil temperature, which in turn may help kill harmful disease vectors, including nematodes. Make sure you keep your soil moistened while you're solarizing. 4. Use a bactericide. Apply a bactericide to your plant to protect it from harmful bacteria that can cause deformed roots. If your root deformation caused by physical factors, clear your soil of rocks and make sure your plants aren't overcrowded. If you notice nodules on plant roots, you don't need to take action. Calm down. These nodules are beneficial for the plant. Here are some of the ways to prevent root deformation. First, keep your plants well hydrated and well fed. With sufficient water and nutrients, plant will be better able to fend off infections that cause root deformation. 2. Keep your soil aerated. Soil with more oxygen is usually less hospitable to root attacking pests. 3. Clear debris. Remove litter or rotting material that may host harmful bacteria or fungi. 4. Keep out disease. Avoid introducing plants infected with harmful bacteria or fungi, as these can quickly spread to other plants and cause deformed roots. 5. Choose resistant varieties. When adding new plants, choose types that are resistant to problems like root node nematodes and harmful bacteria. Alright, today we talked about root deformation, and if you think this video is useful for you, you can subscribe. If you want to see more contents like that, make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends. And what do you think the next video should be about? Share your ideas with me in the comments. Alright, see you!